This video will show you how to replace the operating sash on Silverline V3 series awning windows. You'll need safety glasses, a flat blade screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver, as well as a replacement sash. You may also need a second person to assist you. Windows and doors can be heavy. Use safe lifting techniques and a reasonable number of people with enough strength to lift, carry, and install window and door products to avoid injury and/or product damage. If your window has an insect screen, you'll need to remove it. Retract the inside latches and pull the insect screen inward. Set it aside for reinstallation. Next, unlock the window and open it completely. Push down on the operator arm to release the pin from the sash bracket. It may be helpful to use a flat blade screwdriver. Releasing the operator arm allows the sash to swing freely. During windy conditions, the sash may swing outward and break free, causing personal injury and/or property damage. Support the sash during the replacement process. Rotate the operator arm so it is out of the way. Next, remove the hinge stops from both hinge tracks. Keeping a firm grip on the sash, release the left and right hinge arms from the studs. It may be helpful to use a flat blade screwdriver. Lower the sash by sliding it downward until the hinge shoes are free from the hinge tracks. Rotate the sash and pull it through the window opening. Properly dispose of the old sash. Use extreme care when working around a window opening. Never leave a window opening unattended, especially when children are present. Falling from a window opening may result in severe injury or death. Next, install the replacement sash. Start by passing the sash through the window opening and aligning the hinge shoes in the hinge tracks. Then, slowly push the sash upward. Slide the hinge shoes up the channels and reattach the hinge arms to the studs. Reinstall the hinge stops using the previously removed screws. Turn the operator handle to extend the operator arm. Next, attach the operator to the sash bracket and push firmly to secure. Close and lock the window. Finally, if you removed an insect screen, reinstall it by placing the insect screen in the frame and securing with the screen clips. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the sash on your Silverline awning window.